This will be our mixed drive video after a warm start of our 2015 Ford Mustang GT with the Roush Phase 2 package. We had her running for about another 5-6 minutes, got her up to good operating temp. Now we're going to take a little jaunt around town. Go ahead. Start with going around the neighborhood a little bit. Show you how she does with slow speed comfort. Then we will hit the road, get some speed up. So good things to pay attention to around the neighborhood is all the choppy road, all the bumps, all the cracks. You can see the camera bouncing. Why that's important is the Mustang's chassis is completely rock solid. You won't hear a peep out of the suspension. We did about 200 pictures of the undercarriage. You could eat off it. It is in fantastic condition, rock solid. The tasteful mods. Got the boost gauge there in the center stack. Running through the Borlas. We do have the electronically actuated remote center exhaust that we are able to manipulate, open and shut. So we'll do a little bit of driving with it in, I guess, stealth mode is a great way to put it, and then we'll open those guys up. like that, we can get into a lot of trouble. Little tap of the gas, pushing 70. So don't let the mileage fool you. She is got all kinds of power. Suspension is taut but comfortable. See if we can open the baffles a little bit. Pretty immediate response, as you can tell. It's maybe 25-35% open. Close them back up again. Don't want to get too much attention here. So we're cruising right along at 70 miles an hour. She is barely breathing hard. We're up at 1800 RPM or so. Comfortable on the HVAC. Got the heated seats on. So she's quite the luxury cruiser. Easy to enjoy that sound. Hope you've enjoyed this presentation.